Well, once again, a short video from our Milkbot showroom, or our actually production facility. This is not a showroom. Well, there is a new type of our principal model, Milkbot 400i double dispenser. Well, this is our default machine, our premium line, and there are some new innovations which I would like to comment on in this video. So first of all, look at it from outside. How does it look? As normal, there is a 400 liters capacity, or actually 432 liters capacity, all stainless refrigerator, Milkbot refrigerator. Here there is our top promotional banner, which can be at some fee. It can be made according to your wish, so that can be also up there your logo. Well, there is a default logo Milkbot which is always on our vending panel. As you can see, that this is our standard, slightly innovated recently service menu. However, you can see that all our new line, 400i line, has got these new 10-inch displays, human-machine interface panels. There is a new function of the switch between one tanks and two tanks. So for situation when there are not so many customers in days, then you can use only one tank in the machine. When there are situations when you have many customers, a huge milk consumption, then you can have both two tanks in the machine, and you choose if you use one or two here. Okay, one tank, two tanks. Well, there is a standard, once again, as you are used to. You can see a peristaltic pump, which you can test it here. Peristaltic pump. You can manually switch on, switch off mixer, agitator, and you can manually switch on, switch off the water flushing. And you can manually turn on, turn off germicidal lamp, which is highly efficient UVC spectra laboratory equipment germicidal lamp for 100% good sanitary precautions in your machine. This is how you manually switch it off. Of course, there is the same procedure for the calibration as you are used to. So you go here to calibrate, say you want 1 liter for calibration, and you take a measuring cylinder and you press start. You can follow here status bar on the display on the main panel, where you can see how many liters you've got actually in your measuring cylinder or in your bottle. And you're waiting until you get the volume of milk, which machine the Milkbot thinks that this is the 1 liter. Then you measure the actual volume, and if you measure more or less, so you insert here in this field the actual volume measured in your measuring cylinder during the calibration procedure. So this is all the same story, but let me remind you that this is, let's say that we have worked on it and we innovated it to be even more precise with our innovated induction flow meter. As you can see, there is a Nayax, once again Nayax Monix device for the cashless payments. Well, as you know, this is by the payment cards, credit cards, Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, or you can use your mobile phone using Israeli application called Monix. By the way, Nayax, this is the Israeli device. And once again, this is our default configuration. As you can see, there are actually also 2 Nayaxes and 2 coin acceptors. So both doors, or each door, is actually an independent vending panel for your business. So you can multiply your business as much as you want. especially during these times, during this era, when inflation and the general lack of food supply, of genuine food supply, is giving you more and more opportunities for your business, for your dairy farm. My colleague now is doing an installation of the lid on top of the Milkbot tank. Well, and we will show you actually how to connect everything onto the tank, onto the lid. There is a clamp tightener to fix the lid onto the tank. Actually, you must have a tank in a certain position to be able to do that. Or you must have extreme power like our Superman here. That's a brutal force. Please connect the milk hose. You use this original short hose to make the shortest path to the milk pressure side on the milk pump. Nedávej to na Mirko, teďka tu pružinu. Nedávej tam ten klam. Půjde klam. Okay, if you want. That's in the position, so you see that there is the milk, so this is the milk suction pipe, or milk suction hose, which must be the shortest path possible. And this is the milk pressure hose, which goes from this side and goes through our chemical flow meter to the dispensing nozzle. And you can notice once again that it goes just right next to the germicidal lamp, which means a total disinfection of milk on flow. And here you can see our area for the milk flushing system, milk sprayer. Not the milk sprayer, but actually water sprayer. You see that germicidal lamp is actually inside the fridge and also disinfecting all the space inside the fridge. Okay? So I will show it how it's done.
Just a second.
This is how does it work inside. You see that there is a complete disinfection which is switched on automatically inside of the Milkbot. Here you can see the position of this is the position of the PLC controller. So there is a control box which is positioned on top. And you can see also the side of the milk pump over there. Okay guys, so I think that's all. We will maybe we will show you some payment. Please turn it on to the customers mode. Yes. And once again we will just show you the payment. That there is a combination of the coins and of the cards.
Please present your card. Authorizing. Thank you.
Money credited from your card. And coins going in. you can take with the Milkbot. This is the only vending machine on the market today when you can get any volume of milk, which is equivalent to the crate inserted, and you decide whether you buy in 1 liter steps or whether you buy any volume you want. So this is literally for anybody around the Milkbot who is just willing to buy some milk, to drink milk. He can visit a Milkbot either with a 1 liter bottle, 2 liter bottle, or they can just use any kind of cup or any kind of a milk container. Simply, this is also for people who just would like to take, for example, 0.3 liters of milk, 0.2 liters of milk, or 1 pint of milk, if you want to talk in British measurement system, original measurement system. So this is quite versatile machine, which is really convenient for almost everybody, both for dairy farmers and also for their customers if they decide to go for the direct business, if they decide to offer to end customers, which is the only way how to make your farm self-reliable, self-reliant. That's the word for that. Well, and this is a situation when there is no milk in the machine, which is automatic because the flow meter is actually counting down the volume which you bring in the Milkbot, and when you get to the area when there is not enough milk to provide enough milk to your customers, then the machine is automatically switched on. The same as when the temperature go up. So there is something wrong with the temperature inside or with the inner ambient temperature, etc., etc. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, please comment below under the video, and take care and good luck, and that's all from us for today. Bye bye.